Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to apply noise reduction in Audacity. So guys, first thing that you will do is select the track and just go ahead and tap on your keyboard Control D, and from here, as you can see, you will have this copy. So guys, I do this because if I ever did something wrong on this track over here, I will still have the original one. So now let's minimize the first one and let's focus on this one, guys. And now from here, as you can see, I have this noise over here. So in order for you to remove or apply noise reduction, just simply select the frame or the time frame that you want to have the noise reduction. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and go to the effects. And from here, you will have noise removal and repair. And from here, you will have noise reduction. So from here, guys, as you can see, we have the noise reduction over here. So guys, I recommend going for 30, or this will be based on your preferences. And from here, the sensitivity will be depending on you. And the frequency, I recommend going for 3. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and click on Get Noise Profile. And now go for the effect. And now you should have this option over here, Repeat Noise Reduction. So just simply click on this. And as you can see, you should be able to apply the noise reduction. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.